Achoo. Hey, have you ever stopped to wonder why we say bless you or Gesundheit when someone sneezes? It's such an automatic response, right? Well, let's dive into a little history. This tradition goes way, way back. One of the most popular theories dates to the time of the bubonic plague in Europe. A sneeze was often one of the first symptoms of the deadly disease. So, when Pope Gregory the Great supposedly suggested that a blessing could protect a person from what was to come, people started saying God bless you as a sort of mini prayer for their health. Another belief, even older, was that a sneeze could accidentally expel your soul from your body. Saying bless you was a way to safeguard it and prevent any mischievous spirits from flying in. So next time you hear a sneeze, you'll know you're carrying on a tradition that's hundreds of years old. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.